Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a quick and simple 5-minute card for you, and it's this happy birthday card using the Artistically inked cling stamp set. Love this one, and I've actually bought in our in colours. So we've just got a host of brand new in colours for the 2022-2024 season. However, I'm going back to our 2021-2023 in colours and using Fresh Freesia, Soft Succulent and Evening Evergreen, which have become a basis of my colour palette over the last year. So I'm going to be using the flower and the leaves and these gorgeous little spots along with the happy birthday to create this card. Let me show you how to do it. Really quick and really simple, and I think you'll love it. Right, so first up you need your backing cardstock. So I have got a piece of 10.5 by 14.8, which is the exact width and dimension of my card base. And to start off with, I'm just going to grab some scrap paper here, so that I don't get my nice filming paper dirty. And I'm going to pick up the Fresh Freesia first. So when you're doing flowers and things like that you're going to build up, you want to start with the biggest piece, because that way you can spatially get everything right on your card. So I'm just going to stamp this, and then I'm going to show it you, because you can see I've inked it and stamped it, but look at the effect. It looks like I've done so much more, and I haven't. It's a really clever stamp, and it lends itself so well to these like 5-minute cards, because the effect is instantaneous and you don't have to do any work for them. So then I'm going to bring in the Soft Succulent, and I'm bringing in the leaf detail, and I'm just going to pop 2 of these on each of my flowers at different sides. And again, you have just seen that I have stamped it, inked it and stamped it, but look at the effect. It's beautiful, if I say so myself, which I do. So I'm just built the card up like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the Evening Evergreen and those little dots that I was talking about, and I'm just going to pop some detail over the card. So I'm just going to pop a few of them so they go off the card, and then a few sort of details like that, not much. Finally, my sentiment, and I'm doing that in Memento ink so that it just pops off the card and makes the actual detail that I've put on there look like background detail. So my happy birthday, grab that, stamp that down. And that is pretty much the basis of the card done. So all you need to do now is grab your card base. Oh, I've got ink on my fingers. It's a good job I'm covering that panel. Always the fun when you're detailing white card. So I'm just going to use my seal to pop the front part onto the card. And I think you'll probably notice what I've just noticed. I'm doing a very good job not to swear. My mucky fingers actually got the front of my card. So not to worry, I'm going to be using my iridescent rhinestones anyway. And they have little ones and they have big ones. And I'm going to hope by grabbing a big one and popping it there, it's going to be popped over that mucky bit and you're not really going to see it. Because you know, it's a 5-minute card and I don't want to be saying, oh, my 5-minute card that took 8 minutes, because I had to redo it. But there you go. That is pretty much my quick, simple and easy card for you today using the Artistically inked cling stamp set. This stamp set plus everything I've used today is available from my store, slimandstylish.stampingup.net. And if you do like it and you add it to your basket, when you get to the checkout it will ask you for a host code. Just head over to my Instagram @slimandstylish and you'll be able to find my most recent host code. They change monthly, so make sure you're using the most recent one, and if you pop that one into your basket you will get a free thank you gift from me. So thank you for joining me today, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.
I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.